So over here I got a Spark project and I've been using the default theme. If you want to work more with themes, then you can go under the theme option right here. And over here you can see that there's a bunch of themes that you can work with. Let's see how this theme actually looks like right now. So I got the slides that I actually made in my previous lesson. So I got welcome, I got the monitor which pops up first, the keyboard, and then the keyboard stays. So let's see how that looks now. So that's how the animation is, and if I want to change the color, I can simply go over here and then I can choose the color that I want. So if I were to select green, everything will turn out green. If I were to select yellow, everything will turn out to be yellow. This is the title type of theme. If I want to shuffle the colors, I can simply click on this and it shuffles the colors, as you can see. So I can go over here, it becomes black. I click this and there are a bunch of other colors that you can choose from. There's another type of theme with another type of animations and so forth called Elevate. So let me just click on this and then select a color theme of blue, for example, and let's see what happens. So everything changes and the animation and the icon sizes changes, as you can see right here. Under welcome, I may want to use a photo as well. So I'm going to use a computer photo. So let's say I'm going to use this keyboard photo right here and let's see how everything turns out. Let me just play the animation. And you can see that the animation totally changes right here. It seems like we reanimated it. But the great thing is that it happens in just a few clicks, as you can see right here. So just like what we did here, we can shuffle the colors right here so that I get more color choices. Right here. There's also focus, flare, statement, and other sort of themes that I can choose from. So I can go over here, let me choose Says, which is a bit different. And let's say I'm going to choose this color theme right here. And let's see how everything turns out. So everything is a bit funky, as you can see right here. So let me just press the play button. And let's see how everything turns out. So you can see that everything turns out way different just like that, and the animation change as well. So that is how you can easily work with themes and then change the color options of themes and then change the overall outlook of the whole animation. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.